Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Instagram and loading the image into story mode. Pinch to zoom out until the white frame appears as a separate edge. This shows the image isn't full bleed. Once done, tap stickers, then select the image sticker option, not the regular background. You do this because converting the photo to a sticker removes default framing controls. Make sure to place the sticker so it covers the border area. This sets you up for the next, deeper step. Now you focus on precision. Once the image is a sticker, drag it to a corner and pinch outward until the border vanishes off screen. You should see full bleed coverage. If a thin line remains, rotate slightly and nudge the sticker with one finger. Subtle shifts often hide artifacts. Next, tap the background and cycle colors or gradients to match the image's outer tone, because blending small seams makes the border effectively invisible. Keep adjusting until the edge looks continuous. Finish by previewing the story full screen. If it looks right, save a copy or post. You should export a draft or save to your camera roll to reuse the sticker method later. If a border still appears, re-edit the original photo at higher resolution and crop to a 16:9 or 9:16 ratio before repeating the sticker conversion. This fixes scaling artifacts. And if sticker controls glitch, make sure to clear app cache or update Instagram. That often resolves odd behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.